The truth behind everyday bread is stranger than fiction. For millennia, delicious bread has sustained civilizations worldwide. But how did ancient bakers make it so fluffy? Before modern science, this process seemed almost magical. Today, we know yeast as the secret ingredient. Its remarkable origin is a tale of pure accident. This tiny, potent fungus transformed food forever. Around 4000 BC, ancient Egyptians made flatbreads. They often left dough exposed to the open air. Unknowingly, wild yeast spores landed on the mixture. These microscopic organisms began consuming sugars present. This metabolic process released carbon dioxide gas. The dough mysteriously puffed up, creating leavened bread. This accidental discovery was a culinary revolution. Early brewers also experienced similar fermentation processes. They observed bubbles forming in their grain mashes. This shared knowledge slowly spread across cultures. For centuries, bakers relied on sourdough starters for leavening. These living cultures captured local wild yeasts effectively. A starter contains a complex ecosystem of microbes. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is often the most common yeast. Lactic acid bacteria also contribute to complex flavor. Starters need regular feeding with flour and water. This sustains the active microorganisms within the culture. Some sourdough starters are hundreds of years old. They represent a continuous lineage of powerful fermentation. The true nature of yeast remained a scientific mystery. People debated its exact role in the fermentation process. In the 19th century, Louis Pasteur investigated this. His brilliant experiments unveiled yeast's hidden secrets. Pasteur proved yeast was a living microorganism. It consumed sugars and produced alcohol and CO2. This process, fermentation, was biological, not chemical. His 1857 findings revolutionized food science forever. It led to controlled yeast production for consistent baking. Today, yeast is meticulously cultivated for consistency. Commercial bakers' yeast ensures reliable, quick rises. Its application extends far beyond just bread products. Yeast is vital for beer, wine, and spirits production. It produces biofuels like ethanol for sustainable energy. Even some vitamins and pharmaceuticals use yeast cultures. This ancient accident still shapes our modern world. Understanding yeast reveals deeper food chemistry principles. Its accidental origin profoundly changed human civilization. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.